Hi everybody, this is Anthony from Sunny Creates. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm very excited because I have my new digital kit to show to you. And if anyone follows me, they'll know that there was a lot of drama with this kit. My external hard drive crashed, and then yesterday when I was about to release it, we had a power failure. So I'm really excited to release this kit today because it means I can start on my next one and move on from there. So the kit is 27 pages. It's got 8 main pages. It's got 8 pages of ephemera. It's got 7 background pages, and then it's got 4 pages where the 8 pages are condensed to 2 to a page, making the kit 27 pages long. Now I am printing, this is the first time I'm printing from my laser printer because it's just sitting there and collecting dust. And so I've changed it up. Normally I print on a inkjet printer at 128 GSM. Now I'm printing on a laser printer at 170 GSM. And I can tell you that the prints are a bit different, but that's what you're going to expect from a laser printer. Okay, so first time kit on a laser printer, and I love it. I even inquired about getting new toners. So there we go. This is print number 1, or page number 1. And I started off this kit saying that it is going to be a botanical kit, and then as I went through it, I just loved the birds, and I turned it into the beautiful birds kit. So that's page number 2. Number 3. And 4. 5. 6. So there's some collage on it. 7. 8. This is page number 8. So those are all our main pages, done and dusted. Okay. And then here's our background pages. This one here. And if you are on my Facebook group, I have shared some of the pages that didn't make it into the kit. So if you want them and you're not on my Facebook group, consider joining Sunny Creates Junk Journals. But they're only background pages, so I'd rather let you know. I think there was one main page. And that was when I decided to turn it from, you know, a botanical one to a, what's this word, a beautiful birds one. And I hadn't completed that page. Suppose that was when I was still struggling with the concept. Okay. Here's another one. And I think, I could be wrong, but I think this might be the last. No, it's not. It's not the last of the background pages. Just one more. And I think that's the last of the background pages. Okay. And now we have all the pages that go in between, I mean the ephemera. So we've got our journal cards, and I've added 2 these here, a well-tailed tabs on it. Then our big tags, then our little tags, which is something new that I added to the kit from what you're normally used to of mine. So I've got a lot of envelopes in here, and I like that because you'll see all of them are like that, simply because then I don't always glue them up, sometimes use them as writing pages. And there's another one. In our pockets, that's 4 pockets, 2 corner ones and then the normal ones. And I think these are 1.5 inch, if I'm not mistaken, or 2 inch. I can't remember, to be honest. Yeah, 1 inch, maybe 2 inch, I think. And then my labels, which I love using the labels. And then that's a file folder. And here we've got some fussy cut birds. We've got some postcards here that could possibly be used as your front. And then there's the pages where they are printed to a page. So they look like this. Page here, and then the other page here. Now I'll tell you a little bit about this one here if you are buying the kit, so you know what to expect. All right, and then that's the last one. Okay. Right, so that is the Beautiful Birds kit in a nutshell. 27 pages, printed on laser, 170 GSM, and that's how it looks. The colors are extremely vibrant, but I wanted to show you that they're still quite vibrant when even printed on normal copy paper. So all the details are perfect on normal copy paper here. You can see everything just like you would see in a laser printer. And this is printed on an inkjet printer as well. Okay, the only thing is that it was printed on inkjet on copy paper, and it is a little bit less vibrant than the other ones. Okay, so I wanted to let you know that if you have to look at it, then there's the two in comparison. Okay, so if you only got inkjet and you only have copy paper, perfect. I started off doing that when I first started junk journaling. I made a lot with just copy paper and an inkjet printer. So I have no idea what happened over there. So am I still recording? Yes, I'm still recording. So I don't know what happened. It went to power off. That's crazy, hey? Okay, so that's that. And then what I wanted to let you know, I'm going to sit down now that I've showed you the pages. Excuse me. This one's here, where it's the 2 to a page. So those 2 to a page work out to be quite big files, and you compress it, but you can't compress it too much. The reason is that compression is working on the quality of the design. So the lower your quality, the smaller the file. So in order to not be lose out on the quality of the file, what I had to do is that, because it's a very large kit, now I could have split the kit in the sense that I could have kept all the main pages and the back pages together, and then I could have done like the ephemera and those pages separately, but that is an extra cost. It's an extra cost to you because now I'm splitting the kit. Okay, and it's not going to be worth my while for me as well to split a kit because of the charges that the standard charges that Etsy works with. Right, so what I had to do on this one here, if I compress this any further by losing the quality, then I was not going to be happy. And then I didn't want to also bring down the quality of all the other pages, because I could have done it and then it could have fit into the 5 I think it's a 5 zip files that Etsy allows us. We are only allowed 20 megs per file, per zipped file, altogether 100 megs, but each file cannot exceed 20 megs. So there was no way that I could put this in a zipped file. So what I did is, on my first zipped file, I did 5 pages. Okay, I did 5 pages where they are in JPEG version, and then I gave you a Word document with a link to Dropbox. So all you have to do is, on your first zip file, all you got to do is you got to go in the, you know, when you download, you're going to get a Word document as well, and in that Word document there is a link to Dropbox where you can find those 4 files in a high quality, high definition there. And remember, with Dropbox, you don't have to register for Dropbox. You don't have to do any of those things, because some people, I think they think that they have to do all that. No, you don't. You just go in, you follow the link, and you download it to your laptop or your phone or whatever device that you're using. And that to me worked the best, and I use it for all my South African clients, in terms of them accessing kits from the Dropbox, because them using Etsy is extremely expensive for them. Because of the, you know, the rand dollar exchange. So that's my little way of saying to South Africans, because I'm a South African, well, you don't have to pay that extremely costly fee in order to be able to get your stuff, okay, because the exchange rate is crazy. So a little bit on that, and I hope that you enjoyed the kit, and I hope that you find it as pretty as I do, because I really like this kit. I am so excited to start working on this kit. You have no idea. So this wasn't page number 1. To me, it was page number 5. I'm going to just slot it in there. So yes, so I hope that you find the kit as beautiful as I find it in there, and that it's going to bring you joy to work on it. I will work on it. I just have a whole lot of kits that I have not yet shown videos on, done videos on, because I started designing before I started YouTube videos. But this probably will be my next kit that I'm working on after the neutral and blue junk journal, because I can't see it staying in my drawer for too long. It's going to tempt me to do it. So I'm probably going to do a series on this next. I absolutely love it. The colors, everything about this kit I love. It is definitely my style. So take care, ladies and gents, and have a lovely weekend. It is Friday afternoon here in South Africa, and for South African residents, if you want this kit, then let me know, because then you don't have to go through Etsy and pay the enormous fees linked to Etsy. Okay, unfortunately I can only do it for South Africans, because you know, I don't accept any other currencies, which I am working on. I'm working on it so that maybe people don't have to go to Etsy, and we can then lower the cost of our fee of our kits. But yes, it's going to take time. Okay, so take care, everybody. Have an awesome weekend ahead, and I will see you pretty soon within this weekend. Take care, lots of love from me, and this kit is going to be available in my Etsy store. I will leave the link below. Bye.